Hi guys, my name is Kate. I'm the editor of Knit Now magazine.
And I'm Emma from Rowan, marketing manager.
Yes. And we are in the video studio today because Emma has a very exciting thing to reveal about Rowan's newest launch, and you're going to get the first sneak peek of it today. So we'll get straight into it.
Yeah.
Emma, tell us about this yarn.
Well, we're very excited for a new yarn that's coming out in January, so we're fresh for the new year. It's called Moordale and it's 100% British, so it's a mixture of British alpaca and blue-faced Leicester, so it's a 70-30 split, so it's a really scrummy yarn, and say everything about it is British and we're really proud of that, so I'm really excited.
Yeah, so we've got a little skein of it over here, so if we grab this, you can see it here, gorgeous, really deep colour. If we pop this in front of the little close-up camera, there you go, you can see it close up, this really beautiful, what I love about this yarn, we've had a little squish of it already this morning, is, as Emma was saying, it's a blend of blue-faced Leicester, which is a type of sheep, and they are generally whitey creamy coloured, but then the alpaca, which is 30% of it, is a lovely like a nutty brown. So when those are blended together, you get this incredible sort of heathery deepness to the shades. So that was the blue, but you can see in this sort of more natural shade here, and look at that stitch definition, isn't that gorgeous? It's amazing.
It holds the stitches really well, it's lovely for cables.
So
what you were saying then about the effect of the colour, you can really see it here in the green as well, that lovely sort of heathery green.
Lovely.
Really beautiful.
So should we talk about some of the designs?
Yes, it's designed by Martin Story. So this is very much Martin's project, and he has put together a lovely collection of accessories and garments. One of them you can see here. Really lovely colour tipping on the edges, but basically a really sort of simple design, but just really brought to life through the yarn and the colours.
And with pockets.
Yeah,
And
really
we'll be
nice
able to
pocket
pop
detail.
some more images up on the screen here that you can, you'll be able to see these as we go through talking about the rest of them. But they're really, really beautiful classic designs, and I think a lot of shapes that will suit different body types, all those kinds of things, and some unisex designs as well.
Exactly, that's exactly what I was going to say. So a mixture of designs for men and women, and just some really nice classic beanie hats and accessories, as well as the sweaters and cardigans. So
I want to show
hopefully something for everybody.
I want to show a close up of this stitch pattern as well. Let's have a look at that.
Really nice.
I just can't get enough of how great the stitch definition is on this. It's got a lovely halo to it, which you get from the alpaca, but that doesn't mask the stitches at all. It's really, really lovely.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the provenance, where it comes from, that kind of thing?
So it's 100% British. It's been sourced, spun and dyed in Britain, which we're really, really proud of. It's a 70-30% split of British alpaca and blue-faced Leicester, which is a merino, so really soft and luxurious. It comes in a palette of 12 shades, really lovely heathery shades through to neutrals, as well as some standard
Let's have a little
classics, so the things you'd expect to see in there. Lovely heathery greens,
lovely.
beautiful greys.
So yes, the other thing is, where can people get hold of this lovely yarn?
It launches in January, so we're hoping that most of your local yarn stockists will have it. So first week of January, hopefully, so pretty much new year, new yarn, so hopefully you will find it in a store near you.
Fantastic, and we'll pop a link to be able to find your local stockist down below. And also I have commissioned some bits and pieces that will go into Knit Now, and we've also had a chat with some of your flagship stores as well.
That's right.
And that is going to be a feature in Knit Now issue 97, which we're currently working on, but should be in stores soon, so you can read all about it. And we've got a really beautiful exclusive scarf pattern that's been knitted
To
in
whet your appetite.
this yarn as well, so we'll put up a picture of that. So if you are very excited about this, like we are, follow all those links down below. You can read all about it in Knit Now, and all of the information will be on the Rowan website as well.
It will.
And if you've got any questions, you can get in touch with us, you can get in touch with Rowan, you can get in touch with your local Rowan stockist, and yeah, we look forward to seeing what you make with it.